I am about to prep our bedroom for our guests. They'll be here in an hour or so. So I always keep a brand new sheet set. I just like for people to have their own sheet set. So I literally got these last year on Black Friday, and I've just been holding them and holding them. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it on here. This is just our mattress protector or whatever. It's on here now, and I'm gonna make the bed and get a cute little basket together, and we will be waiting for our guests in about an hour. Okay, you guys, I'm here in the bathroom, in the master's bathroom. This is where they'll be using, let me step back. Okay, so I'm in here cleaning or whatever, and this is how it's looking at the moment. And as you see, this used to have a door right here. It was just too tiny for 2 doors, so we took that one off. We were looking for the little caps to cover that, but no one seemed to have it. We went to Lowe's and everything, but I think on Amazon, so you can get little caps to cover that. Nonetheless, what I'm doing at the moment, I bought this picture from Hobby Lobby, right? I saw this picture back in like August. The problem is it doesn't have a glass. I don't know if it's made without a glass or is it missing. I don't know, but this is the one I was gonna put up. But if not, before I bought this one, I had this one here as well. But this one seems just a tad bit tiny for the space on the wall. And you know, this is my bathroom right here. I hung that shelf, and I just have all of my little bath bombs, cotton balls, and all that. And then I put my bath salt. It's down there in that little container. And then this is what's on the top of my toilet right here, is that silver coral. And this is what I had. Whoa, I'm about to break it. This is what I had for the fall season. I hauled this, so I'm going to be changing this out very, very soon once I find another towel. But I'm going to keep those 2 white ones. And here is the other one. This rhinestone is extra trim that goes on the bottom of this curtain. I just stuck it there one day, and I never, there's a cotton there, I never took it off, so it's just been sitting there. So I'm just gonna leave it.
Hi guys, in this video,
are you excited your parents are coming? All right, you guys, I am finished. So we went with this picture here. I think it's so pretty. And then it's right across from there. So I like that it brings the green out. How cute is that? And this just little rhinestone canisters. Yep. So this is why I bought so many light bulbs. These are the white light bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and put the crystal clear ones in. I think it'll look so much better. Here is the final reveal of this beautiful clean bathroom here. These mats are straight out the dryer. I love it. And the secret to a bathroom is having the chrome shine. Yup. And since I have mirror light plates in here, you need to make sure those are wiped down as well. Sink, and took all of our personal items off. Unfortunately, I couldn't remove his electrical toothbrush, but maybe we'll move it to the other bathroom later on tonight. But I cleared out all of our things in places so they can put toothpaste and their toothbrush there. That's the beautiful picture. And the trash can, extra tissue is back here. I need to put some essential oils in there. And here we go. I think it's so beautiful, nice and airy and clean. I love this little picture from Hobby Lobby. I don't know. I just love the shades of the green. I don't know, with me and this green, I don't have any idea. And I just realized my Glade is green as well. That's funny. Alrighty, so let's hurry up and make a basket, okay? Oh, also, before I make this basket, I'm gonna add Lysol into the room. Just place it like on a nightstand. And look what I did. I added in, because I don't really have a closet or any drawers to be utilized, I'm gonna add some gray ones from my father-in-law, but I just put these purple ones here, and I an empty clothes hamper, and I just put a little gain so it can air out and be really beautiful smelling in here. I kept the bed really simple, so they won't have any fuss. I sent my husband to the store, so, and I need to get my computer out of here. I sent him to the store though, and this is when you send your husband to the store to get things for the gift bag, this is what he brings. But my father-in-law said he wanted barbecue chips and all that stuff, and he is the one who told us about the Twinkies, banana Twinkies. You know, we've been gone, so we never even heard of this. So we're gonna stick that in this basket. They love dots, so we're gonna stick some dots in here. Just a little cute welcome basket. And I'm just gonna take some of these out and dump them into the, and this is not gonna be on the bed. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the kitchen counter. And look, I have this beautiful welcome sign that I'm going to put there, and I have a few other things. Let me grab all the essentials that I'm going to add into this basket. So this is a really quick way that I went on, and I added in some body wash and then I got these loofahs from Bath and Body Works whenever I was getting the soap for $2.50, and I just put body wash, candy, some 3D Crest, is a face mask in here, is the dots down there, little soaps and stuff. Most of that is really inexpensive. And then I'm gonna put this big old welcome sign, and I'm gonna put it on our kitchen counter. And let's see if I can put the E there. And instead of having it here, like, I move this stuff off the bed. Okay, so I could leave it right here on the bed. That'll be nice, but I think I'll put it on the counter, because I'm sure they're gonna share it with their grandchildren. And you guys, this is it. I'm done. So they'll be welcome here in our guest suite. Let me move my computer, because I'm gonna take this out of here right as I leave out of here. Right as I leave out of here, I'm going to vacuum down the fluffy rug. I've already vacuumed that side, but I'm gonna get the rest of it vacuumed down. Look, everything. They have brand new sheets, towels clean, everything is clean in here to stay. I'm gonna put this Lysol somewhere so they can have it, because I always like to have Lysol in people's homes. All right, let me finish the finishing touches. And here is their guest bedroom. We're back in the States, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching and rocking out with me. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will speak to you on the next one. Bye for now. I just wanted to share where I was placing the basket. You know, the little welcome. So I'm sure they're gonna come through the garage door. So, which is right through there. They're gonna come through there, and they'll be greeted with a welcome basket and some fruit and nuts. So if that's what they choose to eat on, it's still pretty early, so they may have already had breakfast. But I would love to walk through the door and be greeted with a welcome sign. Alrighty, for real, I gotta go now. Bye. I know one of the first things I look for after getting settled in is the Wi-Fi password. So our cable company gave us 2 of these little cards. I just stuck it right there, so as soon as they go through the basket, they'll be able to go ahead and log on to the Wi-Fi. Okay, here is where I place the robes on the wardrobe bar that they will utilize. So my father-in-law and mother-in-law will have robes if they choose to put some on. I thought that turned out nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm just gonna leave these extra pillows just sitting here. If they need to use any, they're more than welcome to.
What's up, y'all?
Hey!
That's my daddy.
Can y'all tell or no?
I'm on the
Welcome to Texas.
El Paso.
You ready? What you looking at?
You know how bright that is.
No, don't worry about my brightness.
Come on. Yeah,
Look who I got over here. Hello?
You on the block. Go to the block, Mom.
They're here.